Hi, in this video we will see how to do some advanced calculations using the concatenate cell and the calculated fields. For this we will use soccer matches data because people understand the calculation I will going to use, which is goal difference. So for that we are going to do a query, and we are going to have the home team and the away team, and we are going to calculate the goal difference. So we are going to also have the home score and the away score, and we are going to create a calculated field called goal diff, which is mistyped. And for that we are going to click on the number and select and drag the home score and minus the away score. And we're going to add the goal diff to the table. So now we can see, for example, that the match with the biggest goal difference was Leicester City playing away against Southampton. They scored 9 against 0. That's a lot. And the other way around, 8-0 Manchester City against Watford. So now we are going to calculate the aggregated goal difference by team. So we need to do a concatenate because each match each team can be either in the home or the away. So we are going to do the home team and the goal difference, and on the other side the away team and the goal difference, which should be negated, I guess, because the goal difference is home versus away. So we are going to calculate that field. I just noticed that, that's why I'm thinking. So we are going to drag the goal diff here, and in this one we are going to do the same, but since this is the away team, I already did it. This is going to be the negative, and we can add the diff to select, and now we can do an aggregation, which is the sum of the difference by team. Let's rename this, otherwise it will be confusing. And we can see that the team with the biggest goal difference is Liverpool with 46, and Manchester following, and the other way around, Norwich is the team that got the most goals, 24. And with this we can do a chart. So this is a complex calculation using many features of Instadeq, but everything was done with drag and drop with the usual tools. And it's just a declaration of what the goal difference means. We have matches, we have to do the difference between the home score and the away score, but we want to also count the goal difference for the away team and be negative if because they are away. The difference is the other way around. We can calculate the other with two selects and a concat also, but this is a way to do it. And then we can sum the differences for each team, and we can get a chart, and we can see every team that has a negative goal difference, and the ones with the positive, like Liverpool, Manchester City, Leicester, which makes sense, and the worst being Norwich and Southampton. So with this we did a pretty advanced calculation using CSV Sport results, but everything visual and everything declarative. So if you have any questions, just contact us on social media or go to instadeq.com. Bye.